In today's video, I want to show you how you can fix any Steam purchase error you have. Sometimes there's a glitch in the system, sometimes just things don't work out properly, and you will get an error when you're trying to buy a game on Steam. Now, the first thing you need to do is log into your Steam account. Now, I'll just blur out all my personal details, but you are going to go to your account details and you click that button. This will take you to your personal Steam account details. And what you'll do is over here on the right, you'll see view purchase history. Now you click that button, it'll show all the list of items that you have purchased. And what you can do is, if let's say the top one is the problem, all you need to do is click it to get help with that purchase. So let's say this one had an error. You click it, this will open the help section. Now you can say, what are the issues you are having with this purchase? Now you can either say like, I want a refund, I was double charged, I was charged the wrong amount. You can ask for a question, I would like to view or print a receipt for this purchase. And typically when you use one of these options, Steam will make sure that everything is in order. They'll get back to you, they'll fix the problem. If something happened that wasn't supposed to happen, maybe you were double charged, maybe the game isn't showing in your Steam account, you will just come here to this section and they will help you. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do me a solid, click the like button, because it helps other people find this video and hopefully it helps them as well. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you.